What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have these street bikes being featured, and particularly one of the most important things about a motorcycle, of course, is your helmet. Today we're going to check out these new helmets that we just picked up. They are from ILM Racing. I'll have their website linked down below along with their Instagram. So these are really cool sport bike style helmets that have a lot of neat functions. First and foremost, they have Bluetooth all integrated into them with speakers and a microphone, and you'll even see it over on this left hand side. Our current helmets that we've been using for the last 4 or 5 years have aftermarket ones that we installed, and they're a lot more bulky, and of course you have to strip the whole inside to wire in the speakers and the microphone. So for the cost and everything, this is a really good way to just buy one right out of the box with an intercom system that you can use your cell phone with. You can talk to another rider. We use that so much when Mike and I go on motorcycle trips, but these ones being all integrated, it'll be really fun to check them out. So the helmet itself, and Mike is going to show you after I show you these helmets how to all connect everything, but these helmets are pretty cool. They have a lot of different functions. Of course you have your normal visor that opens up. They do also have the sunshade that goes down, which is a must. I love having that on the inside. But one of the most interesting features, on the underside of the chin area, you'll see this red little button. If you press that, this actually opens all the way up. I think they call this like a 3/4 helmet. So you can be riding now if it's like around town or something, you need to talk to somebody who's like right next to you. It gives you that kind of freedom to have an open face helmet. But the ones that I've seen that are like this, they always kind of look a little weird. This one still looks like a nice sport bike helmet, so I really like that. You also do have vents up top, very easily you can open and close them. You have one in the center, and then some heat extraction vents in back. These are DOT approved as well. So this is Mike's helmet. It is bright red to match his jacket. I went a little bit more sleeker route. I picked up a matte black one, so really sleek. I already got my GoPro all set up, so once we go for a cruise, we'll of course be able to talk to you while riding. So that's the helmet. They also do have some carbon fiber ones and a whole bunch of other ones, motocross helmets. So really cool helmet to find, really affordable as well.
So as Brian mentioned, we do have the intercom system built into this helmet, and it's really nice that the battery is actually on the back side here. So just by pulling on that red tab, you can see the integrated battery. There's also the battery port too, so that is basically how you charge it. We have the accessory box here, so you have your cable there, along with a small plastic tool that can actually pull the battery out if needed. So if you ever had to replace the entire battery, that is how you would be able to pull that out. So it's really nice how it's incorporated right into the back of the helmet there. You can't even feel it inside the helmet, which is great to see. And then as far as pairing these two other helmets into your phone, basically all you need to do is push on this on button, which is basically the volume control. Just by pushing on that and holding it for a few seconds, you'll see it light up blue. And then from there, that means the system is on and running. On your phone, you can just go into your Bluetooth. You'll see it pop up with the name of this. And then from there, obviously you can pair it. You can listen to your music. You can also adjust the volume by tapping on this dial clockwise or counterclockwise, and even adjust being able to listen to the radio if needed. And then to go ahead and pair both of these helmets, which we've already done, all you need to do is push on both of these on buttons and hold them until they both start lighting up blue and red. From there, you'll just push on one of the buttons again and they'll automatically pair. It's a very easy system to get them to communicate together, as well as pairing it to your phone.
Alright guys, so we are now on the bike. It of course started to rain a little bit, but we already have them just paired together, which all you'd really do is press the button once they're on and they pair. Mike, if you can start talking, we'll see if they can hear you at all.
Yeah, I don't know if they'll be able to hear me or not, but so far I can hear you pretty clearly, even with the rain.
Yeah, so we're going almost 50. Hopefully you guys heard Mike talking in the speakers. Obviously the speakers that I'm listening to are in where my ears are, but I can... What was that?
I was just going to say, I'm going to try to get a little away from you and see what the range is like.
Alright, I can hear him perfectly fine with no wind noise or anything. And Mike and I do wear earplugs while riding, so I don't really hear any of the wind anyway. I hear my engine, but I can still hear Mike fine, which is really cool.
I can hear a little bit of the wind noise.
Yeah?
It's coming up to the side, maybe just a little bit.
Oh, well, I don't hear any wind noise. Maybe your earplugs aren't in all the way.
Yeah, I can still hear you. How far are we? We're good ways.
Yeah, this is a decent distance to where we would be riding together.
Honestly, I think it's farther so far than our other system.
Probably not quite as far yet. We haven't gotten that far. But pretty sweet. I mean, how easily they work and how well I can hear you.
Yeah.
Now,
I'm still impressed with our distance.
yeah, now what if I open up my visor, like the clear part?
Yeah.
Can you hear me now at all?
Oh, I can still hear you, yeah.
So that's wind even rushing in through my face. I have the tinted one down just so I don't get wind in my eyes.
Yeah.
But you can still hear me.
I can still hear you, yeah.
That's pretty cool. And then I wonder if if I open my actual face mask, the GoPro won't be able to hear us anymore. Yeah, we only have one GoPro set up with a mic, so that's why you guys aren't going to be able to hear Mike perfectly talking. But Mike, what if you open up your whole face mask now?
Yeah, I'm starting to come to a stop here with the traffic, so let me go ahead and do that.
Yeah, so open that up and the camera on your bike will see you.
It's open all the way right now.
I can hear you. It's definitely different, but I can hear you fine.
But I'm not going too fast, and the rain in my head is not the best either, which is kind of funny.
But it's cool how with you like that, you could absolutely hear.
Yeah. So you can do that if you really needed to.
Yeah.
I can hear your exhaust.
I will say the helmets are nice and comfortable too.
They are.
Like, how was it when you had your whole face mask up? Was it weird feeling or pretty normal?
It's not bad. It's definitely different since I've never had a helmet like that before.
Yeah.
But I can see it being beneficial for like really hot days.
Yeah.
Or even just talking if you don't have the intercom system. Like,
Yeah, because we do a lot of motorcycle rides with our parents and all their friends, and we'll be stopped at a light or something talking to the guy next to you. And if you and I are paired and Dad's sitting next to us, you know,
yeah.
I might want to open up my whole visor to talk to him because he doesn't wear a full face like we do because he's a different style bike and different rider.
There's a log in the road.
Alright, see, that's why, so guys, Mike and I have been using the intercom on our other helmets for 4 or 5 years, and it's so convenient, especially, like I had an issue with my bike once where somehow my bike just shut off, and he radioed me and we were able to talk what's going on, and then obviously my bike started back up. So if you have a little issue when you're out on the trails or, you know, on the road, or just, you know, not wanting to be bored with your passenger behind you, it's so awesome to have that function.
Yeah, and what I was gonna say, yeah, it's definitely easier to talk when you can open up the whole helmet.
Yeah.
So like, if we were stopped right now or something,
Yes.
we could just go like this. And
It's-
talk to you at a light.
Yeah.
That rain.
It's interesting that the microphone, I don't really know where the mic is, but you can hear you even with your whole face mask up.
Yeah.
So that's impressive.
But I can see it being beneficial to open up, because just doing the first and last part or whatever, you know, the shield here,
Yeah.
sometimes isn't enough because you're blocking your whole face.
Yeah.
I can still hear you, I think.
So even getting up to some higher speed again, the audio doesn't get like all interrupted, which is nice.
It's really nice too. I don't even know how big these speakers are, but you can talk about that real quick to make you hear me.
The speakers?
Yeah, like you can't feel them.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so guys watching, I hope you guys can hear Mike's audio through my earphones. I don't know if you can or not, but Mike was saying that you don't notice any of the integration with the built-in microphone and speakers, like they're not poking your ears. And in my own helmet, when I did the aftermarket kit, I had to dribble out some of the foam to make the mic or the speakers flush because they were hitting my ear, which hurt.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
So I like how it's all integrated, and like honestly, we were a little unsure about these helmets if we liked them or not, but I am actually really liking it. And then the ventilation, it's not that hot out, but it's easy to find them with gloves on and get some cooler air going in. But sweet setup for sure. It's just a good integrated, low cost, obviously DOT approved helmet.
I think that's about it.
Yeah. Well guys, that is a good look at these new helmets. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Haven't done a bike video in a while. Now that I at least have this microphone set up for a motorcycle helmet, we can do videos like this. The helmets themselves, super cool. We're really impressed with them. Check out ILM's in the description below and their Instagram. They have a lot of really sweet helmets, and the integration is super cool. You guys are going to really like it if you are an avid motorcyclist or motocross rider like we are. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next video.